This SQL Stored Proc Viewer is a Visual Studio extension that I built that allows you to quickly see the source body of a stored procedure or Oracle package right within Visual Studio. So it means you don't have to go out to either Oracle SQL Developer or SQL Server Management Studio to look at the body of a stored procedure anymore. You can do it right within Visual Studio, either while you're just browsing code or debugging code. All you have to do is find a stored procedure call that you're interested in. Here I have two of them. Highlight the stored procedure name. I usually just double click it. Then right click, and you'll see the SQL Stored Proc Viewer menu option down here towards the bottom. Just click that. This will go out to TFS or your database, find the stored procedure, and then display the body of that stored procedure in a new tab right within your Visual Studio session. So here you can see the SQL. Once you're done looking at the SQL, you can just close it and pick right up where you left off within your source code.